That's the consequence of not giving your cat something to chew on when they're young. Especially for cats going through teething, their tooth roots get really itchy during this stage, so they'll chew on things like plastic bags or charging cables to relieve the discomfort. You could give them a cat chew rope for that. It looks just like an electrical cord, so your cat will love biting into it. It also contains gall fruit, which cats are obsessed with. It makes them feel happy and helps strengthen their jaws. It promotes healthy chewing, strengthens their teeth, and even helps clean them. You don't need a ton of toys, just this one can make a real difference. Plus, it protects your furniture and helps reduce hairball buildup. It's a great all-in-one option for chewing and playing. Right now, Christmas exclusive discounts are here. Click the bottom left to check them out.